Hi, this is Roxanne with In St Aug with Q, and today we're going to head to the Fresh Market. The Fresh Market is the specialty store in town. There's two of them, but we're going to go to the one over in Julington Creek area. Julington Creek is a large community in St. Johns County. It consists of several large neighborhoods located along Racetrack Road and State Road 13. It has an aquatic center and a rec center and a sportsplex. But just down the road and around the corner is the Fresh Market. And today's Tuesday, so you know what that means. It's $2.99 chicken and ground chuck. So we're going to get ours for the week. I think I'll grab a nice big head of lettuce also for dinner. So I'm going to take advantage of the Tuesday special of chicken and chuck, which I call chop meat. And I'm going to make 3 different dinners so I have them ready and prepared for another time. So the first one is going to be cut up the chicken and the vegetables for crock pot soup. Throw it into the crock pot with half a bag of mixed frozen vegetables and your can of cream of chicken soup. Fill that can up with either water if you have, or milk if you want it creamier, or either chicken broth, and then just let it cook all day. And soup. If you want to put dumplings in it, but I put rice in it, so the rice actually makes it nice and creamy. Oh, my camera's steaming up here. That's delicious. See if I can think it coats the spoon. The second dinner is very easy. We're just going to make some meatballs. Just mix up the chopped meat with an egg and some breadcrumbs and make the meatballs. Put them in the freezer for the next time. And last, we're going to make some very easy fried up chicken cutlets. You just take those chicken breasts, cut them in half and kind of fillet them, pound them out, and then you dip them in an egg, and then dip it in some breadcrumbs, fry them up, and they are delicious. And those two, you can just take them and put them in the freezer and have them for another dinner, another day. If you or anyone you know is thinking about buying a home in St. Augustine, send us an email, insaintaugwithq@gmail.com.
Here you go, Kim. Yeah, practice those videos.